Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. It's Happy Prepper and we're going to be talking about a really good EDC item every person should have. And this EDC item is just a regular old belt. So stick around why this regular old belt can save you or your family's lives. Okay, so welcome back to another video. If you don't know me, I'm Happy Prepper and I make videos about survival, preparedness, and all that good stuff. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell so you will be notified whenever I post a video, and also just hit the like button because it's great, and comment something. So we're going to be talking about belts, just a regular old belt or like a leather belt, or like this is my scout belt. This is like, I think, fiber. And then also I like the other belts because they have more of a clip. This has like a paracord clip. It's paracord, 60 feet of paracord. My dad made it for me. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So, those, really all of them have purposes, but these, because they're more stronger, because they have clips or buckles, basically. So the first is for a standard old belt that you just wear. First off, a lot of people aren't wearing belts. They're either wearing sweats, but it's just good because this has many uses. You could improvise, and also it's not really that hard to carry. So the first use is a makeshift tourniquet. If you don't know what a tourniquet is, it stops the blood off. If somebody has like a really bad injury on one of their arms or legs, it is like the last thing. I wouldn't even, if basically it's either the person's gonna die or you're gonna tourniquet, because after you tourniquet like a appendage, I guess, it has to come off because basically you just destroyed the blood flow. And yeah, so you should get a lot of training with tourniquets, but it's like the last situation. And even as the last situation, there's like, it's like a life or death situation, okay? So another one is use as a makeshift rope. Obviously you could take a couple sticks and, oh shoot, I'm gonna put that one down. Then you could wrap it together. Obviously it's not as good as rope, but you could just do like that and then pull it, and you can make an improvised shelter, a raft, all that good stuff. And also, I don't know why I put this one down. I'm gonna pick up the other one. Also, I don't know how to do this. I'm not that familiar with the technique, but I read it in a book last night. You can also barricade the door, even if it's like an opening door, like if it opens towards you or like away from you, you could really use a belt. Or sometimes you may need to use multiple belts. And you know those office doors with like the, I think it's called an arm. Research more into it, but you could basically take a belt, secure it, put an object in between, and then you're wedging it in, and nobody can get in. Okay, so use as a makeshift weapon. Obviously, the belt clip, it will hurt. I don't know how to use it. I've heard you could use it as a makeshift weapon, but not the best case because it's not that much of a weapon. But, and then the fifth one is the best one. It is just the best. This is the reason why the belt is the best EDC item, because it also has a bigger purpose. It can hold up your pants. So, and obviously it's on you, so like, it's pretty easy. Like, you not noticeable, and you don't have to conceal it. And it's not like it really weighs you down that much. You just have it on you. So, yeah, this is why the belt is a really good thing to add to your EDC. Pretty simple thing. There's probably more uses that I haven't covered, but still, everyday things like you could improvise with, like belts, other stuff, and yeah. So just look in your like everyday stuff and see how you could use it in your EDC and then implement it. Like a shirt you could use as a makeshift bandage, for example. Obviously you want it clean, but in a bad situation when you don't have another option, you could use a regular old shirt. So hope you like this pretty quick video about a pretty cool common item, but you don't know. Most people actually wear it, especially before this situation happened to work. But still, even some people who wear it, they don't know all the uses. So it's good to know all the uses. So please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Happy Prepper out.